Hello guys, this is me making pineapple fried rice. So I'm prepping my veggies here. For your pineapple fried rice to be possible, so these are the recipe. Your pineapple have to be there because you need to get the juice out of the pineapple. So this is me prepping my veggies because to get pineapple fried rice ready, you have to make sure you prep your veggies. Then here I am getting out my pineapple. So I'm being careful so that because I need a bowl of the pineapple, and I'm grounding it. After grounding it, I'm going to sieve it to get the juice. So let's start cooking. So I'm going to cut my beef into little pieces because I want a shredded beef in my pineapple rice. So yeah, I'm parboiling the rice now. I'm washing the rice under the running water. So here I'm steaming my meat, steaming my shredded beef with my garlic, my ginger. I'm using my pineapple juice to steam my meat first. Put in my Simpson oil, and I'm putting my dark soy sauce too. So after it has steamed for a while, I'm going to add water for it to dawn. So my rice is ready, and I'll have to put in the pot, put in my pineapple juice, put in my meat stock. I'm going to spice it a little more. Going to put in my little crayfish. Crayfish is optional, but I just need a little of it. Then I put in my cubes, my turmeric, I now put salt to taste. So I have to cover this now for it to be ready. Yeah, it's ready. So right now I'm frying my shredded beef. So I'll take it off, and I'll also fry my shrimps. So after frying my shrimps, I'm also going to take it off so I can fry my veggies. Remember to fry your veggies on a high heat. You stir your veggies on a high heat so that it won't get soft. So I'm stir frying my veggies. So I'm going to turn my veggies into my pineapple rice. Yeah, I'm going to put in my shredded fried beef. So yummy. This is so yummy. Make sure you try this. And I'll also put in my shrimps. And yeah, this is my pineapple bowl. I'm going to dish it and eat. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I so appreciate it. Make sure you try this. It's so delicious.